This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2017 in Bel Air, California. With me right now is David Grant from Omni-Lite Industries, publicly traded company, two symbols for you, OML on the TSX Venture, and OLNCF in the US. David, welcome back to SNNLive.
Yeah, thanks, Bob. Nice to be back.
It's great to have you back as always.
Yeah,
Let's do that. So, for our audience that may not know the Omni-Lite story, let's start off with an overview, and then we'll get into an update.
Okay, well, Omni-Lite started 20 years ago. Yep. We're now a significant aerospace and military manufacturer here in Southern California. The company's been profitable for almost the whole 20-year period, debt-free, lots of value on the balance sheet.
So, it's been a while since we last spoke. Tell me, what's been going on in the company?
Well, our catalysts for growth this year are some work we've done in the titanium field. We've developed a new component or a new technology, we call it hot forging, which has developed and prosecuted a part never manufactured before in the aerospace business, but known as the Holy Grail. So that's a big thing for us. The other is just regular growth within the aerospace business, which we announce on a regular basis. Military is still growing for us with the budget in the U.S. changing and additional military expenditure expected. So overall, a great time for us.
So you mentioned that this new titanium product is the Holy Grail. Why?
Well, people have been trying to manufacture these complicated titanium parts for about 20 years, and what's been missing is the ability to put a hole through the part, which is necessary for a drill and a threaded operation. So Omni-Lite was working on that and has been for the last 20 months and delivered the first part to our customer in a quasi-first article format a month ago.
And how's the reception been? I mean, did you work with the with your potential customer on the design? I mean, how did that all work?
Yeah, we started with their design, of course, because we want it to be valuable for them. These are large pieces of low-hanging fruit for us. The development is now in their hands, where they're doing the testing and qualification.
Wait, so how is it? It was low-hanging fruit for you, but you said it was the Holy Grail. I'm trying to wrap my head around this. How come nobody else had done it before then?
Right. Well, let me put it this way: tens of millions have been invested.
Okay.
So we've been watching this for probably 6-7 years and shied away from it because of all the issues people had. And at the end of the day, it became imperative for us, with the amount of titanium increasing in aircraft, that we at least try. So 24 months ago, we put a big team together. So we had the top experts in the country doing the work. We probably spent more than we envisioned, 1.2 million approximately doing that. And lo and behold, to all of our amazement, the part dropped off the machine. Oh. So, fait accompli, so to speak.
So, I guess this is more of a macro question. You know, why are more aircraft now being constructed with titanium as opposed to what they were previously constructed with?
Well, titanium is a dream material. It's lighter, half the weight of steel. It's twice as strong as steel, so you get high specific strength, we call it. So you can supplant other parts which were heavier, change your design in some fashions not possible before. So right now the titanium components in an aircraft are reaching between 15 and 17%.
Got it. So is there any other news that you wanted to address as well? I think I saw something that you guys put out fairly recently.
Right, we're entering into a new phase in terms of sales and business development. So I think the company's become strategic enough with our customers. We have enough product that we can actually bring into in-house sales team for the first time. So we hired a senior engineer last week, actually director of engineering of one of our customers. We are hoping to add to that, as our press has said, in the next couple of months with a full-time business development manager.
And also, so from what you can tell me, in the near term, what are some of the company's milestones that you're hoping to achieve?
Well, obviously we're focusing on growth, growth, I think. The company's metrics have always been good. So first quarter, we had cash flow increase of 55%. We had an EBITDA increase of 70%, earnings increase of 135%. So I think we've got that part, the model, fairly well established. And now we focus on growth.
So David, for more information, where can our audience get everything they need to know about Omni-Lite?
They can check out the website at www.omnilite.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2017 in Bel Air, California. With me again is David Grant from Omni-Lite Industries, publicly traded company with the symbol OML on the TSX Venture and OLNCF in the U.S. David, always a pleasure.
Yeah, thanks, Bob. Thanks for having us back.